All right, so to add someone to speed dial on your iPhone, the easiest way to do this is to use the Favorites tab in your phone app. So when you go to the phone app, on the bottom here, you'll have Favorites. Those buttons on the bottom are going to look a little different depending on whether you have the classic or unified layout. If you're in the classic layout, you'd go to Favorites, and then you can tap the plus icon on the top to add someone to your favorites. I'll go ahead and add Amy to my favorites, and I can choose what my favorite way to keep in touch is: message, call, video. So let's say phone call is what I like to do. I'll go with that. And now I have Amy's mobile number here in my favorites, and I could, with a single tap, call her anytime and find it easily under favorites. Kinda like speed dial, you know? Another way, if you're in the unified layout, you'll actually see under your calls tab, Amy goes to the very top to this VIP space here. In the unified layout, you can edit that through here. In the top left corner, you have your edit menu, and there you can edit your favorites. So I could delete existing favorites, I could add another person to the favorites, and then, while I'm editing them, I can also tap and drag them if I want to put my favorites in a different order. So on iPhone, instead of the old school speed dial where you press and hold a number on the keypad, your favorites is just an easier, better way to do that. Another way to sort of speed dial someone would be to use a widget for this. So what you can do is go on your home screen and press and hold any empty space on the home screen, and click the little edit button in the top left corner. Then I can choose Add a Widget. And from the available widgets, we're going to scroll down to Contacts. The Contacts widget allows you to display either a single person, or you could add a widget that has a shortcut for multiple people. I'll go with the one that has a single contact, add it to my home screen, and then I can tap this widget to choose who the shortcut is for. So I could change it to Amy, for example, and if I enable the Show Buttons option, it will show the message and call buttons on the bottom of that widget. Then I'll just tap an empty space here, and now, on my home screen, if I want to message Amy, I can go straight to my conversation with her with a single tap. So, that's another way to have shortcuts to your favorite contacts without even having to open the phone app at all. Anyways, that's speed dialing on your iPhone. Click that like button if this video helped you, share with a friend who has an iPhone, and subscribe for more quick, straight-to-the-point guides like this one. Thanks all, until next time.